Today's affirmations are about releasing the fear of rejection. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for our motivational quote. I will be accepted. I can handle rejection well. I release my fear of rejection. People like me. Every day I fear less. Today I feel accepted. I am fearless. I bounce back quickly. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.